everyone, welcome to Textiles at Haysfield. My name is Mrs. Lisney and I am one of the textiles teachers here.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Eaton and I'm also a textiles teacher here and really looking forward to meeting you.
Hello everybody, my name is Miss Button and I am the head of textiles here at Haysfield. I look forward to meeting you all in September.
Hello, my name's Mrs. Saunders. I'm food and textiles technician. You'll see me around rather a lot. I'm here to make sure that you have the resources you need.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Hodges. My background is in costume making. I worked on film and TV for a number of years.
As some of you know, here at Haysfield for GCSE we have a 50-50 split, so 50% theory and 50% for your NEA. That is the same going through to A-level fashion and textiles. However, for A-level fashion and textiles we are simply focusing on fashion and textiles, so our fibres, our fabrics, our pattern construction, and then we have our NEA, which is 50% of the overall A-level.
So in year 12, the structure of the year is again 50-50 theory and practical work. We start off the year with a project that you will have done as part of your summer work, which is a product analysis of a technical textiles with a focus in on a fabric of your choice. That then generates a few pages. After that we go into fashion drawing, which is over here. Lots of croquis skills, lots of exploring mediums, looking at the history of fashion drawing, playing around with mediums to generate your own style, some quick sketches from life, focusing in on faces, and then we can start to move into our second project, which is all about an art movement, and there's a lot of work. It's like a little mini project to get you into the expectations of the NEA. So that's the sort of practical side of it. The theory side of it, you all get given a booklet that will guide you through the year with lots of information, lots of details of the specification at the back so you can check what you've learned and how you're doing. And then this is your theory folder, which once you know you've got the results to get on the course, then you need to be buying yourself a nice big folder with dividers.
And for year 13 we have a project which is very much led and driven by you and your interests. You get to think about what it is that really entices you and something that's going to really hold your attention for the best part of the year. So it needs to be something that you really enjoy and are very interested in. We have provided you and will provide you with one of the booklets again to talk to you a little bit about how the year is broken down, a little bit about the content of your project, some top tips and what should be included, and then more towards the back is the mark scheme, so you've always got that to refer to and you know what you need to achieve achieve the best marks possible. A big part of that project, your NEA, is your final piece, your final garment, and I've got some examples here to show you from the current year 13. We've got looking at influences of Japan and streetwear within fashion and textiles. We've got a lovely print idea here. This was hand drawn and scanned and sublimation printed. We've got all that technology here. We can sublimation print, we can 3D print should your heart desire. We've got lots of different technologies and that can be incorporated into the final products that you use. And again, looking at more streetwear here again. So reusing different parts of different garments as well, and just having lots of fun and being really creative is the really important thing. So these are all our lovely A-level fashion pieces. The pièce de résistance of the year is the fashion show, and you are the stars of the fashion show. You go on absolutely last and we have a massive celebration of all your hard work and your dedication to the course. over the last 2 years, and it's a fantastic opportunity to showcase your work.
At the end of year 12, we begin to prepare you for your NEA, and part of that process is to expose you to lots of inspiring visits and enrichment opportunities. We visit the Mulberry factory in Chilcompton. We'll go to the V&A if there's something appropriate on there. We'll go locally to the Museum of Fashion, the American Museum, to the degree shows at Zion Hill, to the foundation shows at Bath and Trowbridge. And we'll also get people in to come and talk to you, so local manufacturers who are going through the iterative design process, which is exactly what you're going to be doing in your NEA of your own choosing.
So you're going to have a fantastic 2 years with this. You're going to be really creative, and you're going to have lots of fun getting to explore fashion and textiles further. It's really important that we start thinking about after A-level as well. 50% of our A-level students go on to study Art Foundation, and then generally 70% of the overall cohort of fashion and textile students do go on to do fashion and textiles or art and design, costume related degrees and further education.